वरगुरुं सर्वबुद्धं भवन्तं नानारोगं जिनेन्द्रं तिमिरभयहरं निर्मितं मेरुशान्तम् मुनीनां जिनगुणशुभदं मण्डलम्
बुद्धि भवन्तु ते भवतु सर्वमङ्गलं रक्षन्तु सर्वदेवता सर्वधर्मानुभावेन सदा सुखी भवन्तु ते भवतु सर्वमङ्गलं रक्षन्तु सर्वदेवता सर्वसङ्गानुभावेन सदा सुखी भवन्तु ते.
We also receive a very beautiful letters from His Holiness to acknowledge and encourage the walk for peace. And his niece, with one of the Rinpoches, also read that.
USA and Israel. So, how do we see now the teachings of Buddha in this present scenario? The significance of the teachings of Buddha, the peace, non-violence. Is it going to play any role in future also? So that this is my point. I want to know your opinion of this, your stand on it.
After I graduated and I worked for about 2 or 3 years, and then from there I have seen so many changes in my life, in my family, and the friends around. Working in the engineering field, I tend to get a lot more attention from people, and that is the reason why